Praise the Lord. Welcome everyone to another episode of The Journey Through Apostolic Succession. CCC 882, the Pope, Bishop of Rome and Peter's successor, is the perpetual and visible source and foundation of the unity, both the bishops and the whole company of the faithful. The Roman Pontiff, by the reason of his office as the Vicar of Christ and as the pastor of the entire Church, has full, supreme and universal power over the whole Church, the power which he can always exercise unhindered. So today we hear about our 88th Pope in Apostolic succession, Pope Constantine. He was one of the only popes born in Syria and received a Greek education. He could both read and speak Greek. Some interesting facts about our Pope. His papacy began on the March 25th, 708 and papacy ended on April 9th, 715 when he passed away. Gregory II succeeded Constantine as the next Pope. He ranks as one of the longest reigning Syrian popes in history. His papacy lasted for 2,571 days, or 7 years and 15 days. His legacy and contributions. There is not much known about the contributions of Pope Constantine, but he had to face many problems during his reign. Constantine strongly disagreed with the canons created by the Turin Council, which was convened in 691 under the rule of Byzantine Emperor Justinian II. Several of these canons went against Roman norms. After the death of Justinian II, the new ruler, Philippi Postbardanus, followed monothelitism, which means Christ only had divine will, but Pope Constantine strongly opposed this heresy. Historical records show that the Pope consecrated between 12 and 64 priests during his papacy. He was allowed to consecrate these men while he was in Rome and they were out in their own cities. Death. Though no records show the Pope's cause of death, he died in Rome on April 9, 715. Pope Constantine was buried in Basilica of St.Peter. That's all for today. Thank you all for listening and please stay tuned for our next episode. Please like and share and spread the word to everyone around you. For Christ and for the Church. God bless you all.